Ready to cash out some of those Ethereum tokens you've been holding onto? Let's walk through the surprisingly simple steps of withdrawing your precious crypto, from adding custom tokens to understanding those pesky gas fees, so you can move your assets with confidence. First, if you're withdrawing a token that isn't automatically displayed in your wallet, you'll need to add it as a custom token. Find the Add Custom Token option, usually located in your wallet settings. You'll need the token's contract address, a long string of characters you can find on sites like CoinGecko or Etherscan. Paste the contract address into the designated field, and your wallet will usually auto-populate the token symbol and decimal places. If not, you can find those on the same site. Once added, your token balance should appear in your wallet. Now, select the token you want to withdraw and tap the Send or Withdraw button. Enter the recipient address. This is the address of the exchange or another wallet you want to send the tokens to. Double-check, triple-check, and even quadruple-check this address. A single typo can mean your tokens are lost forever. Then, enter the amount of tokens you want to withdraw. Pay close attention to the gas fees. These are the transaction fees required to process your withdrawal on the Ethereum network. Different token types and network congestion can impact these fees. You can often adjust the gas fee, but lower fees may mean a longer wait time. Finally, review all the transaction details, including the recipient address, amount, and gas fee, and if everything looks good, confirm the transaction. Your withdrawal is now processing. You can track the transaction status using the transaction hash on a block explorer like Etherscan. It might take a few minutes or longer depending on network congestion. Congratulations, you've just withdrawn your Ethereum tokens. Don't forget to subscribe for more crypto guides.